Hi everyone, today we're going to see how to find healthcare services in the ASISA medical network. First, you're going to search rede medica ASISA on Google and click on this link. When you arrive on the page, you can search for the area, for example Lisbon, and the city, again Lisbon, and then the type of specialty you're looking for example dental care, and then you click on search. So the results will appear. On the left you'll have the list of clinics with the name, the address and the phone number, and on the right you'll have the map to locate all the clinics. Thank you for watching.